Have you ever wondered how some people go from broke to financially free almost overnight? No lottery, no crypto pumps, no viral TikTok fame. Just one thing: artificial intelligence. Right now, while you're watching this video, AI is silently creating a new class of millionaires, people who don't have degrees, don't have money, and don't have any special skills. And the craziest part? Almost nobody realizes it's happening. Today, I am going to show you exactly how they're redoing it, step by step, and how you can use these same tools to transform your income before it's too late. Let's begin. Over the last 24 months, something unprecedented has happened in the global economy. AI has replaced heavy checkmark copywriters, heavy checkmark editors, heavy checkmark graphic designers, heavy checkmark analysts, heavy checkmark assistants, heavy checkmark marketers. And while millions panic about job loss, a small group of people discovered how to turn AI into a money-making machine. These people aren't tech geniuses. They're not investors. They're not business experts. They're simply early adopters, ordinary people using AI to create extraordinary results. Think about it. AI can create 100 logos in 5 seconds, write 10 emails in 1 second, build a website in minutes. Analyze markets, instantly automate entire businesses for you. In the past, you needed money, labor, or time to become wealthy. Today, you just need AI tools. The wealth barrier has completely collapsed. And the people who understand this are getting rich faster than any generation before. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Example 1. A 17-year-old using AI to build e-commerce product descriptions, earning $400 per day. Example 2. A stay-at-home dad using AI to automate YouTube faceless videos, making $20,000 per month. Example 3. College students using AI to generate digital products on autopilot, selling thousands of copies on Gumroad. This isn't theory. It's happening every day. Chapter 4. The secret AI model, 5 to 7 o'clock. The richest new AI entrepreneurs all follow one simple formula. AI multiply labor scale fast. They use AI to remove human costs, remove time limits, remove skill barriers. That means they can produce 10x more content, launch 10x more businesses, earn 10x more income. This is why they rise so quickly. Here are the most profitable AI income streams right now. 1. AI automation agencies, selling automated workflows to small businesses. 2. AI YouTube channels, faceless videos that get millions of views. 3. AI digital products, courses, templates, tools, ebooks, made in minutes. 4. AI freelancing, logos, scripts, editing, thumbnails, all automated. 5. AI market analysis, using AI to trade with data-driven accuracy. Every single one of these is being used right now to create overnight success stories. You don't need Crossmark money, Crossmark skills, Crossmark equipment, Crossmark employees. You just need a laptop or phone. AI handles the rest. Start with one tool. Heavy checkmark, ChatGPT, heavy checkmark, Claude, heavy checkmark, Midjourney, heavy checkmark, Runway, heavy checkmark, Perplexity. Pick the income stream. I'll show you exactly how in the next chapters. While AI creates new millionaires, it's also quietly destroying millions of jobs. If you don't adapt, you get left behind. It's that simple. The biggest wealth shift in human history is happening right now, and most people are sleeping through it. But not you. You're here. You're learning. You're early. Chapter 8. The golden window, 18 to 20 hours. There is a small window, maybe 12 to 24 months, before AI becomes fully saturated. Right now, you can still get ahead. Right now, the competition is low. Right now, you have a chance to become one of the early AI millionaires. But later, it will be too late. This is your moment. AI gives you something money can't buy: time. Time with family. Time to build. Time to grow. Time to escape the 9 to 5 trap. That's the real value of AI. If you're serious about using AI to build wealth. If you want more tutorials, guides, and step-by-step AI money systems. Backhand Index Pointing Right. Subscribe to the channel. Backhand Index Pointing Right. Comment AI Wealth below Backhand Index Pointing Right. And hit the notification bell, because the next video I'm posting might be the one that changes your financial life forever. This is InvestSmart AI, and your new future begins now.